Hello! Today we are making molten lava cake. I'm using the recipe that I sent to you. So first we're going to start with the chocolate and the butter, or my Crisco. I'm using about 113 grams. And then half cup of butter. I'm gonna put it in, this is a half cup. So this is about half a cup, and then we'll put it in. Microwave the chocolate and the butter for about 1 minute. And now we're going to do our eggs. We need 2 eggs and then 2 egg yolks. I'm gonna put the eggs in the large bowl. So 2 eggs, 2 whole eggs, and then 2 egg yolks. The vanilla, I think we need about 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Here's 1 teaspoon, so I'll do 2 of these. 1, 2. And then 1 cup of powdered sugar. That's about 1 cup. Put it in. And then mix them together. The sugar, the egg yolks, the vanilla. Mix them together. Just a little bit, and then I'm going to add my chocolate. Going to add my flour, 6 tablespoons of flour. Here's my 1 tablespoon measuring cup. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then also a little bit of salt, just a little bit. Helps to bring out the flavor of the chocolate. Mix them, it should be quite thick. Should be so thick and gooey and
Hey,
yummy.
don't forget to preheat your oven. The recipe says 425 degrees. 425 Fahrenheit. And Celsius will be 218 Celsius. It's a pretty hot oven. And about 13 minutes. I'm going to do 11 minutes. And it's preheating. This is a very important step. You have to oil the ramekins very well so that the cake will come out easily.
Then divide them evenly in the 4 ramekins. I like to use a measuring cup to make sure that it is even. If they're not even, then they'll bake at different times. And then some will be good and some will not be good. So make sure they are very even. I like to do that. Clean out the sides. How you see, sometimes I make a mess. I take a tissue and then I'll just wipe it because I don't want it to burn on the side. Very quickly, and it helps it to look nice and to come out nicely. And then maybe just give it a shake, a little tap to even it out. They're ready to go in the oven. So the side should be a bit firm, but the middle should be very soft. Yes, I think it's perfect.
So take a knife and run it around the edge of the cake just to make sure that it comes out nicely. Get a plate, a flat plate, something to hold this hot ramekin on. Turn it upside down, shake it, it should come right off. Use a cloth that has a better grip. Dust some powdered sugar on the top or add some ice cream. And there you have it, molten chocolate lava cake. Yum!